And the Lord, in our gospel for today, puts himself in a position where many people would judge him for aligning with those who are perceived in their community to be sinners. Not just sinners, public sinners at that. Tax collectors were considered public sinners for conniving, for collecting taxes for the Roman Empire. So even if they're not corrupt, even if they're not pocketing the money, still they're perceived as evil or as bad people. Why? Because they are, as I have said, collecting taxes for the conquerors. Here you find Jesus not mincing words in terms of making sure that his mission is clear, that he has come to reach out not just to those who are well, but especially to those who aren't, for those who are sick, for those who are away from grace. And the Lord makes it clear for each and every one of us as well. When we tend to be judgmental towards others, when we see the failings of our people and look down on them for doing such, may we be able to see ourselves as imperfect as well, as human beings needing of salvation. For if we see ourselves so good already, what is the purpose of Jesus in our lives? If we see ourselves as so good, that does not mean we continue to sin. That does not mean we don't make any effort to sin because I can go to confession anyway and God's mercy is there. No, that is being presumptuous of grace. But the Lord invites us to a true conversion of hearts. Amen.